Hi gang, so in this video I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Katelyn House. I'll link her channel down below. Please check her out. She's super cool. She does a lot of reviews as well as eyeshadow looks with indie brand makeup. She loves Milk cosmetics just like I do.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Katelyn. If you want to see me do 3 looks using the Melt Blueprint palette, then go ahead and keep on watching. And we're going in with the shade Nailed next. Same brush. I'm gonna be gentle with this time.
I messaged her and asked if she would like to do a collaboration. So we decided to do a eyeshadow palette bingo with the Melt Cosmetics Millennial Pinx palette. I'll turn down the light so you can see the shades better. So for me, this is a newer palette to my collection. Initially, I had seen a few reviews about this particular palette saying that some of the shades were a bit patchy, and that was what prevented me from getting it. Then at the end of last year, Beauty Bay was having a sale. This particular palette was on sale for quite a while. So I like Melt Cosmetic palettes and I decided, yeah, why not? I personally really like this palette. I've been happy with the looks that I've come up when using this palette. Okay, so the general idea is that I'm going to pick 5 shades at random using some sort of random generator and create a look using only those 5 shades. Okay, so let's get started. Let's look for a random app. So the first shade is going to be number 8. That is the shade Moon Glow. So this shade right here, Moon Glow, is the first shade. Let me swatch that on the back of my hand so I remember. Next up, we have the shade Rosé Brunch. And this one is another shimmer shade. That's kind of pretty. Next one up is Pink Leather, which is this shade right here. It's just going in succession. Number 3, Flamingo Dream. This one. Number 5, that one is Modern Love. Okay, so I've run out of shades. Fingers. Gonna just swatch that on the back of my hand. So based on the shades that were selected, we are going to be doing kind of a light eyeshadow look. If you can see that on the back of my hand, those are the shades that were picked and they are very, very light in nature. But let's see what we can do. I usually like a little bit of depth to my looks. Let's just try it. I'm going to be priming my lids with the Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with Flamingo Dream first and use that as kind of the crease shade right here. I'm gonna grab my trusty Esom S33 brush, drop it on the floor, and I'm going to place that right on the crease, like so. Taking it out to match the tail end of my brow. Yeah, I'm just gonna take Modern Love and place that on the outer corner of my top lid. I think I wanna add some of that Flamingo Dream mixed in with Modern Love and place that kind of in the inner corner of my eye. Just feel like doing something a bit different today. That's looking quite cute, I think. Next up, I'm going to take the shade Rosé Brunch, spray it down with my MAC Fix Plus, and pat that right in the middle of the eye. it up to join that line so that the shadows kind of follow a specific shape. Maybe right in the center of this area, this particular double lid space. Just gonna grab a bit of Moon Glow, place that on. I'm taking my Zoeva 230 Luxe pencil brush and I'm going into Flamingo Dream again, which was that crease shade that we used in the beginning. I'm gonna place it kind of in the middle, taking it out to the rest, to the inner corner and the outer corner. I don't know if that really looks flattering, so I'm just going to adjust the shade as I go along. This is usually not what I do, so if it looks a bit wonky, that's okay because we're experimenting a little bit today. Next up, I'm gonna take the deeper shade of pink, Modern Love, and put that closer to the lash line, just to give it a little bit more definition. Next up, I'm going to take the Rose Brunch shade on my Zoeva 237 Detail Shader brush. Put that right in the inner corner and kind of drag it towards the middle. I'm going to grab a little bit of Moon Glow and put that right next to Rose Brunch on my bottom lash line, more towards the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to finesse the blend here with the inner corner of the eye. I was using the Chikuhodo Z10 brush. Then I'm gonna use this one, which I think is the Z5. And I'm gonna take that pink leather shade because I haven't used that yet and go on the brow bone with it. Then I'm also gonna clean up kind of under here with that pink leather shade. Okay gang, so this is the finished look. I did add some gel liner. I used Melt Cosmetics Wallflower Ultra Matte Gel Liner, and it's kind of this greeny, kind of grass green shade. Matches my top today. I wanted a contrasting color with the pink, and that's why I chose this shade. And for the waterline, I mixed two different eye pencils. One is from Neve Cosmetics and the other one is from Essence. And for the lips, I decided to go for a matching pink hue. This look is definitely a lot softer than I usually like to go, but I did add some false lashes for a more dramatic effect. And yeah, I kind of like it. I'm really excited to see what Katelyn came up with. Once again, please check her out. I'll link her channel down below. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and that's it for me. Ciao for now.